Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make baby spinach omelet easy guide. Start by washing and drying the baby spinach, then chop coarsely. Whisk 3 eggs with a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of milk until slightly frothy. Heat a non-stick pan, melt 1 tablespoon butter, and sauté spinach for 30 seconds. Pour eggs evenly, cook gently, fold when set, and serve warm with a sprinkle of pepper. Warm your pan first, then add butter and sauté the baby spinach just until wilted and bright green. Pour in the whisked eggs and tilt the pan to spread evenly across the surface. Reduce heat to low and let the eggs set slowly so the center stays creamy. When the edges pull away and the top is mostly set, fold the omelet in half and slide it onto a plate for serving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker musical notes brings your space to life and is great for setting cooking timers or playing background music while you cook. I use it to time my eggs perfectly and play upbeat playlists. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Serve your baby spinach omelet right away to enjoy the ideal creamy texture and bright spinach flavor. If you like, sprinkle grated cheese or chopped fresh herbs such as parsley or chives before folding. A side of whole grain toast or a light mixed salad makes a simple, balanced meal. Keep portions moderate and enjoy with a cup of tea or coffee for a comforting breakfast or easy brunch option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.